Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vision Booster for better outdoor visibility on Samsung Galaxy A56. Let's begin! Now, Vision Booster is something that is already built in, and in order to enable it, all you need to do is go to the settings, scroll down a little, go to the display, and in here you want to click Adaptive Brightness. On itself it won't do much, however whenever you will go on the outside, especially into the sun, your phone will automatically detect it and boost your brightness level. So whenever you actually use the phone for the first time, you won't have to find some random shadow in order to boost your brightness. Instead, your phone will do that for you. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.